What is up guys, Julien Miquel here of Social Vignerons. Welcome back to another wine video. Today we're looking at how to pronounce the name of a famous French champagne house, Perrier Jouët. Some may argue that you have to pronounce it Perrier Jouet, but no, just like Moet and Chandon, you have to pronounce it Perrier Jouët. The two dots on the E of Jouet mean that the next letter T is not silent. Perrier Jouët started with the love affair between Nicolas Perrier and Adèle Jouët, both from prominent champagne winemaking families. The house was founded in 1811. It now owns 161 acres of vineyards in Champagne with an average cru rating of 99.2%, which means that the Perrier Jouët grapes are most often sourced from Grand Cru vineyards. The house is known for its elegant Chardonnay-driven style. Perrier Jouët classic champagne wines include the Belle Époque Prestige Cuvées, a white, a rosé and a blanc de blanc, as well as non-vintage Grand Cru Brut and Blason Rosé. I hope this video was useful. Enjoy your Perrier Jouët champagne. If you want to learn more about Perrier Jouët champagne cuvées, you will find review videos of Belle Époque and several of their other sparkling wines on this very channel. I will see you soon in the wine world.